Ever pondered why a bottle of Rhone Valley wine can command such a high price tag? Or perhaps you've been intrigued about the history of these fine wines? Well, prepare yourself for a journey as we delve into the world of Rhone Valley wines, tracing their history and exploring the reasons behind their steep prices. Nestled between the bustling city of Lyon and the azure waters of the Mediterranean, the Rhone Valley, France's second-largest wine-producing region, has been a significant player in the viticulture world for centuries. But did you know that the history of winemaking in this region dates back to ancient times, to the Greeks and Romans? Indeed, the story begins around 600 years before the Common Era, when the Greeks first introduced viniculture to the Rhone Valley. Yet it was the Romans who truly established the region as a wine-producing powerhouse. Following their invasion in the 1st century before the Common Era, they began cultivating vineyards throughout the valley, capitalizing on the area's fertile soil and favorable climate. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, the Rhone Valley wines gained recognition across Europe, thanks to the influence of the Catholic Church. The popes in Avignon, especially Pope John the XIII, were known for their love of these wines, and their endorsement significantly boosted their popularity. Now let's turn our attention to why some Rhone Valley wines are so expensive. 3 main factors contribute to this: the production process, the terroir, and the prestige associated with these wines. Firstly, the production process of Rhone Valley wines is labor-intensive. Many vineyards in the region are located on steep slopes, making mechanization difficult. This means a lot of the work has to be done by hand, including harvesting the grapes. Secondly, the unique terroir of the Rhone Valley contributes to the high price tag. The region's diverse climate and soil types allow for the production of a wide range of wine styles. This diversity, coupled with the limited availability of certain wines, can lead to higher prices. Lastly, the prestige associated with Rhone Valley wines also plays a part. With a history spanning over 2 millennia and a reputation for producing high-quality wines, it's no wonder that wines from this region command a premium price. In summary, Rhone Valley wines have a rich history that dates back to ancient times. The Greeks introduced viniculture to the region, but it was the Romans who established the Rhone Valley as a leading wine producer. The wines gained further recognition during the Middle Ages thanks to the influence of the Catholic Church. The high price of some Rhone Valley wines can be attributed to the labor-intensive production process, the unique terroir of the region, and the prestige associated with these wines. So the next time you savor a glass of Rhone Valley wine, remember the centuries of history and hard work that have gone into producing that single bottle. And who knows, that understanding might just make the wine taste even better.